Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today we're making this corned beef pie. Let's get straight into the recipe. First, you're going to be needing some all-purpose flour. All the ingredients and their measurements will be in the description box, and to that we're going to be adding some baking powder, we're going to be adding some salt, and then we're just going to whisk that to combine. Once everything is combined, we're going to add in some cold butter, really cold butter, and using our hands we're just going to work the butter into the flour and the salt and baking powder mixture till everything is well combined and it comes out looking like breadcrumbs. Don't mind if you still have like little lumps of butter in the flour, it will all come together when you're baking. You guys, this corned beef pie is so yummy and so delicious that you would love to make it all the time. Once it is a bit combined, you're going to start to add some bit of cold water, ice cold water preferably, and just continue to mix with your hand till the dough comes together. As soon as the dough starts to come together like this, you're just going to transfer it onto a smooth surface, and then we're just going to knead it by hand till everything comes together and it looks smooth. If you're watching my channel for the first time and you're not subscribed, please kindly click the subscribe button and be a part of this channel, and also as a way to encourage and motivate me to produce more videos. Once we're done kneading and your dough is no longer sticky, we're just going to put this dough back into the bowl and keep it in the fridge while we make the sauce. To make the sauce, we're going to add some vegetable oil into a pan, and to that we're adding some diced onions, garlic, and some hot scotch bonnet pepper. Feel free to use as much pepper as you like or as little. Once that has sauteed for about 3 minutes, we're going to add in the corned beef, mash and mix to make sure that everything is properly combined. Once we've combined it with the onions, the pepper, and the garlic, at this point your kitchen pretty much smells amazing. We're going to add in some diced carrots to that mix, stir to combine properly as well. And once that is combined, we're going to add in some diced Irish potatoes. Then we're going to mix everything up till it is properly combined again. And then we're going to add in about a cup of water. Like I said, all the ingredients and their description will be in the description box. Sorry. And then we'll add in some water and allow this to cook for about 10 minutes till it is cooked through. And then we're going to season with some seasoning cube, curry powder, and of course some thyme. And of course we're going to add a slurry mixture that is made of flour and water just to thicken our sauce a bit. We'll leave this to cook on medium heat till the sauce is thickened, as you can see here, and then we're going to add that onto a flat plate and just allow it to cool off. While our sauce is cooling off, we're going to bring out our dough, knead it, and cut it into 4 parts, as we're going to be using this for making our pie. Roll out 1 part of the dough. Roll it out to as much of a circle as you can. As you can see, my dough is rolled out, and then we're going to take like a prepared baking dish and just spread our dough onto the bottom of the dish. Once we've been able to spread it properly onto the dish, we're going to add in our corned beef mixture that has cooled down, and once you fill that up till almost full, we're going to go ahead to set this aside. It looks beautiful, by the way. Take another piece of the dough, add some flour to it, and then just roll out to a circle, or as much of a circle as you can make this. This we would use to cover the top of our pie. So you're just going to place that over your pie, and then using your hands to like seal the dough in, you just roll the edges of the dough together to form like this swirl design till all the dough is completely rolled into your baking dish. You repeat this with the rest of the dough on another baking dish. Look at how beautiful this is. Repeat the same thing on another baking dish, and then your pie is almost ready to be baked. Okay, they look so beautiful, and if you're still watching at this point and you're not subscribed, kindly click the subscribe button and be a part of this channel. So now I'm just brushing this pie with some egg I didn't add any water to my egg at all. I just lightly beat one egg and I'm brushing the top of my pie with this. This will give it that golden brown color once it comes out of the oven. And now we're just going to bake this in a preheated oven for about 20 to 25 minutes till it is golden brown. I used the knife to make some incisions on top of the dough just so that it gives some air into the pie while it is baking. Pop this in the oven for 25 minutes till it is golden brown. As you can see, our pie is ready. It was so delicious. Like, I couldn't wait to just devour this. I had this for dinner. It was so filling, it was so yummy, and I can't wait for you guys to try it. If you watched up to this point and you're not subscribed, please kindly subscribe. Try out these recipes. Let me know if you enjoyed this recipe in the comment section. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.